Well, welcome to Gomm Studios. Here in the stained glass studio today, we just once in a while have to show you what's happening and what's going on. So, I want to talk about light for a minute. So it used to be that up here there were some skylights, but we took them out because unfortunately they leaked. And so we can't have stuff leaking all over. And so we thought, well, okay, we'll just take them out. So we took them out and it was kind of dark in here. And so I thought, well, what can we do to make light come in here? And I like the natural light. So we first thought maybe we would just take out this whole wall, move it out into the yard so we could have a bigger studio, and then we could put windows all along that side. Well, that was a great idea, but that was a huge undertaking. So what we decided upon was to do doors on either side. Right now, our doors are just, we had a door on each side and it was just like this. This is a metal door and no light coming out. So what we decided to do is get new doors. And this one was just put in the other day by our son-in-law. And that just makes a little bit of light come in here, but it makes a big difference. I thought I might, hang little stars or something on it, but for now, I just like the light. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And we've got another door to put on the other side, so we will have light coming in from both ends, and it just makes sense for a stained glass studio to have a little bit of light. So we're excited about that. And just to let you know a few things that are happening in here, this is kind of a Frank Lloyd Wright craftsman style window that I'm working on. And it's got a few little gaps in it, and the reason for that is because we measured it. And then we went back and they had taken the stops out of the window, which made the space a little bit bigger. So instead of recutting everything, I kind of just moved the nails to the measurement I needed and then just kind of arranged the pieces. And so we will have little gaps here and there, but I think it'll be okay.
So the lead lines will just be a little wider.
Exactly.
Okay. All right, well, I have a project that I've got to do. Let's see, come on over here. You may recall that we did a bare window and we made it smaller. And the client got it home and discovered that it was it had been cut and it was an inch too big. So here it is back again, and we've recut it. So there we are.
Mm-hmm. And hopefully it will fit this time.
Let's talk about it.
Okay, so this is a window that we did for a client who they love to go to Hawaii. And
aren't they there right now?
Oh, they might be. And so we did this for them so they can remember their trips to Hawaii. And then this one is, the story of this is really fun. So the fellow wants this window for his wife as a surprise for their anniversary. And their special flower is a yellow rose. And so he wants to have it done while she's at work, to have it all installed. Well, she surprised him and said that she was retiring. So he's got to figure out a time when she's going to be gone. Maybe I'll have his daughters take her out for a surprise.
All right. So this is that Home Defense bug spray. And I'm going to just run a little around on the floor back here. Now I'm going to need to open the door, Jeanne. in the place. But you know, it's not very pleasing when a spider comes running across the shop floor when we have students here. So we're just going to do this, and this will kind of give us a barrier. There was a lot of wood rot on the door that we took out, and now it looks is pristine. It's just perfect. I remember when living in an apartment, and they would send some guy through who would spray for cockroaches and stuff. I'm glad we don't live in an apartment any longer. We do have a daughter who's living in a tiny house. Well, I think that's going to take care of it. The rest of the spraying I'll do is just kind of around the perimeter of the house. But thanks, these are the things that we do in our studio. We're having fun. We've got lots more work to do, and it's just great. Hope things are well with you.